baby. It is dark. Hello everybody, and we are starting the vlog off pretty late. It has been quite a bit since we vlogged. Got some new glasses, but this little monkey is helping me out with the laundry. Hi baby. Hi. Oh, hello. Are you helping me switch the laundry? Yeah. We switching the laundry. Earlier we had a huge accident in here. I was, you know, kind of cleaning up cleaning up some of her like pooped stained clothes, and I left this sink water running and I forgot all about it because I had to take the baby from Saul and feed her and get her ready for nap time before he went and got us some food. Then this whole garage, you can still see some of the wet spots, was covered in water. So I have been doing laundry because I need to, because mommy forgot she left the water running. Yeah, while you were taking a nap, I forgot about the water. So I'm switching the laundry, and that is what I am doing. I will be doing that for a few hours tonight. So here we go.
Is that how it goes?
Good. What is it? Afternoon? Good afternoon, everybody. We are gonna water some plants. Actually, Daddy is. Look how cute her little outfit is. Look at those back rolls. Oh, oh, oh. Say good morning or good afternoon. I was not being a good baby earlier. She did not want to take a nap, so it was very, very difficult to put her down. But we went and got breakfast. Now I'm gonna switch the laundry. Daddy's gonna water his sunflowers. Wait, are you gonna water the other plants too?
Which one?
My flowers?
No, in the summer. Your dead flowers? Oh,
Hey.
so sad. There's only one alive.
Is that the only live one?
There's only one remaining.
Really, all of us died.
Yeah.
How sad. Hey, chewing on your hand.
That's what happens when you don't feed it for a week, you know? Things die.
Is that taste yummy? Does she have a mole on her hand? Is that a mole or is that a scab? What is that? Oh, you look so beautiful
Looks like
today,
a
lovies.
mole.
Water my
Wait,
plant.
can I do those or no? It's
Um,
not that hot outside, is it?
no, but those are our other plants.
What?
that we planted and they all died. We're not very good.
This one's alive?
That one's alive.
This one's dying though. Some of them are dying.
Just move them in the shade. Alright, let's go do some laundry.
Wait,
check.
look at these.